Hi and Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Hi, thank you for joining us today. Can you please start by telling me a little bit about yourself and your background?
Hello. Yes. And my name is Fawwaz Mukhlis. And I have been an engineer for 7 years and ongoing. I have a wealth of knowledge in product testing and manufacturing electronics, mainly PCB and ICs. I love making new innovation and breakthroughs through sharing ideas and collaborative efforts in teams. And I can excel as an engineer and can work with everyone.
Can you provide an example of a project where you successfully collaborate with others to achieve a common goal?
Yes, uh, collaboration is truly the backbone of successful product development, as we all know. And especially, I thrive in a team environment. To ensure effective collaboration, I actively engage with cross-functional teams throughout the process. I work closely with design teams, providing input on testability, considerations, and understanding the design intent. Collaboration with manufacturing teams is crucial as well, as we align on test requirements and ensure a smooth transition of products to production. By maintaining open communication channels and participating in regular meetings, I make sure that everyone is on the same page regarding project goals and progress. It's all about valuing the expertise of other teams and fostering a collaborative environment that promotes effective problem solving and innovation.
Okay, let's move on to the next question. In your opinion, what are the key qualities that make an engineer successful, and how do you embody these qualities in your work?
In my opinion, several key qualities contribute to the success of an engineer. Firstly, a strong foundation in technical knowledge is crucial. As an engineer, I have built a solid foundation in electronic engineering through my bachelor's degree and years of experience in the field. This knowledge allows me to understand complex concepts and apply them effectively in my work. Adaptability is also crucial in today's fast-paced engineering landscape. Technologies and methodologies evolve rapidly, and being adaptable allows engineers to stay ahead. I embrace this quality by staying updated on emerging technologies and industry trends. I invest time in continuous learning, attending conferences, workshops, and engaging in self study to keep my skills sharp and adaptable to changing requirements. Lastly, uh, key qualities is a commitment to quality and attention to detail is paramount. I take pride in my work and strive for excellence in everything I do, whether it's designing a PCB schematic, developing test programs, or in conducting thorough testing. I pay meticulous attention to detail to ensure accuracy, reliability, and functionality.
Now let's move on to the next question. How do you prioritize and manage multiple tasks or projects simultaneously? Can you provide an example of a time when you successfully handle multiple responsibilities?
Ah, Juggling multiple projects with competing priorities is always a challenge, but I have developed effective strategies to handle such situations. Firstly, I carefully assess the scope and urgency of each project, taking into consideration customer requirements and delivery timelines. Prioritizing tasks become essential, focusing on critical and impactful aspects to ensure project milestones are met. Open communication is crucial too, as I keep project stakeholders updated regularly, managing expectations and addressing any concerns. Moreover, I leverage my problem solving skills and attention to detail to identify opportunities for process optimization and efficiency gains, which helps me deliver all projects on time while maintaining the desired quality standards.
So now let's move on to the next question. How do you stay motivated and keep up with the challenge that come with being an engineer?
So how do I stay motivated? Firstly, it's all about passion, really. For me, it starts with a genuine curiosity and love for technology and problem solving. I find joy in unraveling complex puzzles and coming up with innovative solutions. But beyond passion, I believe in maintaining a growth mindset. As an engineer, I understand that challenges are opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of being discouraged, I embrace them, and chances to expand my knowledge and skill set. I see each challenge as a puzzle waiting to be solved, and that excitement keeps me motivated. Lastly, I find inspiration from staying updated with the latest advancement in engineering field. Technology is constantly evolving, and being aware of emerging trends and breakthroughs fuels my motivation. It ignites a sense of excitement and encourages me to push boundaries and explore new possibilities in my work.
Now let's move on to the final question. Based on your knowledge and experience, what do you think are the most significant trend or advancement in field of engineering, particularly in area of product testing and manufacturing?
I find it fascinating. The most is that we can now simulate almost all of the products timeline that we want to build and test all about the mostly is distortion and manufacturability by using generative design and numerical simulation uh, that we use by using a multitude of 3D printing tools and technology that we have now. Now it takes almost or below 1 week only to test the distortions and manufacturability of products, and we can start to make products ahead of time. So that is very good.
Thank you for your insightful response throughout the interview for us. Do you have any questions for me, or is there anything else you would like to share before we conclude?
No, I do not have any questions.
Alright, Fawaz. Thank you for your participation and for sharing your experience and insight during this interview. It was a pleasure getting to know more about your background, skill, perspective as an engineer. Should you have any question or require further information in the future, feel free to reach out. We wish you the best of your luck in your engineering career.
Okay, thank you. Dah.